Welcome. If you're looking to take control of your Discord notifications and enjoy a more peaceful chatting experience, you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the updated steps to disable message notifications on the Discord app for your Android device. So, let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. You'll land on the home screen, where all your servers and friends await. Next, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a button labeled You. Go ahead and tap that. This will take you to your personal profile settings. Once you're there, look for the gear icon at the top right of the screen. That's your gateway to the settings menu. Tap on it to access various options that will allow you to customize your experience. Now, scroll down the list until you find the notification section. This is where you can manage all your notification preferences. Tap on Notification to open up more settings. Here's the critical step. Look for the option that says Notify on every new message in conversations. By toggling this option off, you can finally silence those constant message alerts. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled message notifications on Discord. Enjoy a quieter experience without distractions. You can always revisit the settings if you decide you want notifications back on later. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips. Happy chatting.